Financial markets are full of noise. Every day, thousands of news and tweets appear, but the reality is that only a few signals are truly important that change the future. The question is, how can we see these changes before others and act immediately at that very moment? This is where DeepTracker comes in. An AI-based investment analysis engine that filters the noise and only puts the key data right in front of your eyes. From market sentiments and the words of influential people to the map of important factors and real-time alerts. And what's more exciting is that DeepTracker adapts itself to your field of work. Whether it's stocks like Tesla and Amazon, crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum, energy like oil and renewables, or even specific industries like electric vehicles and biotechnology, the information is categorized exactly in the way that is useful for you. Today, we'll see how DeepTracker can upgrade your strategies from guesswork to data-driven decisions. Before I go to the tool, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next videos. Without delay, let's go to the video. After clicking on the link that I've put for you in the description, the first thing you see is the login page. Very easily you can log in with Google, or enter your email, a code will be sent to you, enter the code, and you're in. That's simple. Now we've entered the dashboard. Up here there's a big and nice button that says Plus Create. This button means Create. Click on it to create your first strategy. And here's the best part. You don't even need to design the whole thing yourself. Just enter your requirements, like your target industry, budget, or company names. And DeepTracker's AI instantly generates a personalized strategy tailored exactly to your needs. Of course, if you prefer, you can also pick from the ready strategies at the bottom of the page. Click the Add button, and done. The strategy is ready. Once the strategy is created, you come to the Details page. This is where the real magic happens. At the top, you have a section called Config Strategy. Here you can add the companies you want to follow, for example, Tesla, Amazon, or NIO. Next to each name, there's a plus on the left side of the card. Click it, and that company goes into your strategy. If at some point you want to remove it, right there on the right side of the card, there's a trash icon. With one click, it gets deleted. Now we get to the fun part, the factor map. In the middle of the page, you see a map full of bubbles. Each bubble is an important topic, like core technology, customers, policy. The number written on the bubble shows how many factors are under that topic. For example, on the core technology bubble, the number 30 is written, meaning 30 different factors are being tracked here. Do you want to add a new dimension? At the bottom center of the map, there's a button that says Plus Dimension. Click it and create a new bubble with your desired topic. For zooming, at the bottom left of the page, there are plus and minus buttons. There's also a round button that resets everything. There's even a lock icon that when you open it, you can arrange the bubbles wherever you want. Okay, now it's time to activate the strategy. In the middle of the page, there's a big button that says Start Strategy. Click it and the strategy starts. Or use the Start button at the top right of the page. From that moment, DeepTracker starts collecting data. At the bottom of the page, a table fills up with the latest news. In this table, you have 4 columns. Source, the news source, like Guardian or Business Insider. Relevance, the level of relevance of that news to your strategy. Title, the news headline. Time, the time of publication. This table keeps updating and you have the latest information in real time. Another cool point is that you can send reports directly to your email. At the top right of the page, there's an envelope icon that says Email. Click on it and enter your email. From then on, whenever a report is ready, it goes straight to your inbox. Next to this section, there's also a 3-dot menu that opens Advanced Settings. There you can have more control over your strategies. And that's it. By the way, guys, I also have a surprise. I put a link in the description where you can activate your free 3-day pro membership. With this free trial, you can unlock all features of DeepTracker and test everything without limitations. If you've already used this tool, I'd be happy if you share your experience in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you know, this is AI Border, and I make videos for you every day. Until the next video, goodbye.